Hi, just wanted to share with you a project we'll be working on in August. Gonna be laying wood floors and the entire upstairs in this beautiful home. Show you what we got. So this is the game room, media room, hallways here, and we have two bedrooms here, one on the right and one here in this back part. And it's all gonna get engineered wood flooring throughout. Like I mentioned, it's the whole upstairs. And then this hallway right here and another bedroom on this side of the house. And has a tile on the bathroom there. Let me show you what it looks like downstairs. So all the downstairs is gonna have 24 by 48 porcelain tile. We're gonna be removing all that tile that you see there in the kitchen. And then these stairs are gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna be installing solid stair threads with a polished porcelain tile on the risers. And we're gonna be using the same porcelain tile that we would use for this first floor. So on the first floor we have this, let me walk you from the entry. Alright, so here's the entryway. So yeah, of course we're gonna be removing all this tile, everything that you see here. This is the study room. I'll walk you through the study room. And it has this, so the double doors in the study room. And then on the back you can see the kitchen breakfast area, but let's take a right here. Here's the main bedroom. We'll also be doing porcelain tile. And then the tile in this bathroom is going to stay. This is the main bathroom. So this house has two closets. It has this closet right here. And there's a room. So as soon as you come from the room, you have this other closet right here. And, you know, vanity, tub, and shower there. So you were walking from the bedroom. That's what it looked like. And then the family room, breakfast area with a kitchen, which it's a work in progress, but don't worry, it's gonna look beautiful. This tile is, you know, your typical builder grade tile. And then this is the hallway to the garage. And right here on the left, we have a storage space like underneath the stairs. So this is the storage space. And we have a hall bath here that can be accessed from both sides, like from this bedroom here, or, you know, for your guests when they come in, they can use this bathroom. So that's where your, you know, commode, pedestal sink would be. And so yeah, we're going with the new porcelain tile all the way. We're removing this tile that you see here, and this is the laundry room, and we'll also be removing that and installing the same polished porcelain tile. And so this guest bedroom will also have the polished porcelain tile. It's gonna be very beautiful. If you want to see the progress later on, you know, I don't know where you'll be watching this video, but make sure you follow if you want to see the end results of this. And they're still working on the hand railing there. I think it's just gonna be all wall to where you see the studs ending on top. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next.